GIOVANNI 2chic Ultra Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner Set in-depth reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 161 ratings and 6 reviews. 83% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 10% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said this brand is very good. All the products are very good. I like all of them. Very good service from the seller, thank you. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. The product is okay, wouldn't recommend to hair fanatics. The shampoo is moisturizing, but the conditioner doesn't penetrate my hair. A good shampoo and conditioner is vital in any healthy hair care routine. I don't mind spending $1 for quality. This conditioner sits on top of my hair, leaving a heavy, weighed down feel that doesn't do anything, and I can feel that when I rinse it off. It's also kinda hard to completely rinse out. I have incredibly coarse, super curly hair that needs a ton of moisture, and I have issues with breakage. This product is overmarketed to sound amazing, but doesn't live up to its claims. I've bought it a couple times and it doesn't compare my Redken Extreme set. Redken Extreme does more, feels better and smells better than this. Bottom line, quality isn't always the most affordable, but it's worth paying for. I personally wouldn't recommend this product to anyone with damaged hair. That's it.